guys, it's Horse Lover 300 here today again, and today I'm going to be making a shed for Schleich horse riders to store like your horse blankets in and stuff like that. So let's get started. The materials that you will need is several popsicle sticks, scissors, any type of cardboard, a hot glue gun and a hot glue stick, and a ruler if you want to get your measurements perfect. So you're going to start off with a piece of cardboard. You can make it as big or as short as you want, and I think I'm going to cut this piece in half. And my cardboard, the type of cardboard that I have is like the type of cardboard that comes in your shoe boxes. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I've done that. Okay, so now that you've cut your cardboard as big or as long or as short as you want it, you're going to take your popsicle sticks and just glue them together and make a wall. It doesn't matter how short or how long it is, just make a decent sized wall. Okay guys, so when you're done making your walls, which I am done making my walls, you're just going to glue them to 3 sides of the cardboard. Okay guys, so when you're done with your product, you'll have something similar to this, and you can always make it look a bit better by putting popsicle sticks on the floor, but I'm just not going to do that because I feel as though I don't need it. And you can always put a roof on it. But yeah, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Bye!